Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing a quick review on a product that I've used. So if you can see by the title, I picked up a product from Amazon and it is to remove like moles, skin tags, things like that. So I do have some before and after. So my skin at the moment, I don't have any makeup on at the moment, so if you are interested to see how this works, if it worked, keep watching. So before we continue on with the products, if you are new here, thank you so much for watching the video. If I could ask you to please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell and also the like button, and that will let me know that you enjoyed the video. So I don't want to make this too long, so what I am going to do is I am going to show you some before pictures. So I had a few, I think they call them skin tags. There weren't anything overly visible. If anything, they were just more annoying. They didn't bother me. They were able to be covered up by makeup, and in general nobody ever noticed them other than myself. So you know what that's like. No one else sees it, but you see it all the time. So I just kind of came up on a video on YouTube. I don't think I was actually searching for anything to do with skin tag. I don't believe I was. I might be wrong, I can't remember. But anyway, you know, it's like you're thinking of something and then it just kind of comes up in your feed, you know, the big brother watching you and all that stuff. So anyway, so I watched this video and this lady was basically using this product, and I thought, oh, I didn't realise you could use anything to remove these things. So the item in itself, is this, and it's called the Beauty Mole Removal Sweep Spot Pen. God, long name. It's not branded. I just picked it up off Amazon. I will leave a link to a few of them below because the one I picked up, it was quite expensive. However, when I've looked on Amazon again, there's a few cheaper ones, so I will put a few different ones in there, so depending on what your budget is. But I think they all tend to do the same thing. I don't think one is better than the other. So I will just pop in a picture as to what's in here. So it comes with, you know, a few bits, the actual pen itself, and basically what you do is, I do want to put this out there before I continue, I'm not telling you to go and use this product because it is a device that burns the skin, so you do have to be careful with it. And if I'm being honest, I was a little bit nervous because obviously with having dark skin, you know, we do scar, you know, easier. So as you can see, as I say, I will have popped in some pictures, and what I want to do now is, this is a week after. Now it does hurt, I'm not gonna lie. I had it on the lowest setting. I think there's 9 settings. I had it on setting number 2. That bitch hurt, and that was at number 2. I have seen people on the internet using it at 5 and 6. Nah. My thought process was, let me use it on the lowest. If I have to go in at a later date and do extra, I'd rather do that than burn my skin and make the situation worse. So I did have some that were bigger than others, some that were smaller, you know, again, a variety. So what I would also say, if you are going to pick this up, it is easier to do it start now. So if you see something coming up, or if you're getting a tag, the sooner you do it, the quicker the healing as well, and also the easier it will be to kind of, you know, to work. After doing it, I will say my skin felt, I won't say sore, but you could feel the heat in my skin. So I used aloe vera gel. I kept it in the fridge, one time kept it in the freezer, and just kind of kept applying that to kind of try and take the heat out of my skin. But overall, I will say I am happy with it. So at this stage of me recording this video, it has been a whole week. The actual tags turned black, so again I was a little, you know, oh my god, have I made the situation worse? But that's just the pen killing the, I'm assuming, whatever the skin tag is. And then I would say, don't pick it because obviously that will make it worse. However, the video I watched, you said hers fell off within a couple of days. I think mine only, I left mine. A few of them did, I'd say after about day 2 or 3 fall, but up until even day 6, there was still some there. So I would just say be patient with it. It's not a quick, you know, like it's done and then, you know, you're back to normal. So I'm gonna come in close. So as you can see here, from you will have seen the befores. So I did have some along here. There again, these were quite small, so you can see that you can't really see that anything was there. It's still healing. It's still a little bit discoloured, but it is healing. And then these ones here, where you can see where it's white, they were the bigger ones, and yeah, they'll just kind of, you know, the colour will come back into my skin, hopefully. You know, I ain't here trying to be white. I'm just not. But anyway, and then as you can see here, and then I did one there, and then on this side, similar, as you can see. So it does work, because now once all that heals in, those tags are gone. There are a few little ones that I didn't do, and that was, oh, I'll screw you out. But that was more so because I just thought, well, I already done enough, and my skin, as I say, was tender, so I didn't want to kind of, I mean, I suppose considering the amount I've done, I could have just done that, and it wouldn't have really made that much of a difference, but I didn't. But as you can see, oh yeah, sorry, I had one up here as well, a really little tiny one, and I don't think you'll be able to see it, because again, it's done what it's needed to do. So I would say, if you are interested, please, as I say, I'm not telling you to go and use this device and hurt yourselves, because it does burn. It does burn, so you do have to be careful. But if it is something that is bothering you, this is something you can pick up and use. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and do a really quick video. So this is me with no makeup on. I've got brows and a bit of mascara, but other than that, this is it. So as you could see from the before pictures, and now what I will do is once everything's kind of cleared up, I'll come on again and kind of just give you an update as to how everything heals, so you'll be able to see, you know, did the white spots go, did they not. So maybe in 2 or 3 weeks time, you know, I'll see how long it takes to heal. But it doesn't feel sore, skin feels really smooth, and I am so happy. So that is the video. If you do have any questions, by all means put them in the comment section, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. All the information for the products will be listed in the description bar, so please pop in there if you're interested in picking this one or something similar up via Amazon, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my first one back for a long time. I'm trying to get myself into a routine. I always say that in every video, but that's what I'm trying to do, so please be patient with me. And I wanted to say thank you to all the new subscribers. Even though I've not been putting up any videos or many videos, people have still been subscribed, so thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate it. My goal is to try and get my subscription up to 1,000. I think I'm at about 525 at the moment, so again, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, and also share the video if you think it would be helpful for anyone else. And I am not going to waffle anymore like I usually do, but what I will do is pop my last video up here at the end for you to have a little look at, and I will catch you in my next video, guys. Bye for now. See ya.